there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Grow with Mimi. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a brand new playlist right here on YouTube.
In order for you to create a playlist, first of all, you have to come over to your YouTube app. So at this point, I have come over to YouTube. I clicked on it and it has brought me to this FYP. So here I will look down here where I see you. I've clicked on you and it has brought me to this interface. At this point, this is what I am going to do. I'll just go ahead and click on this small arrow here close to the name of my YouTube channel. So I have gone ahead to click on the arrow. What I'll do now is for me to click on videos. This is my home page. I have clicked on videos and these are the videos I currently have on my YouTube channel. So what I will do now is for me to look out for these three dots. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on the three dots. Now that I have clicked on these three dots, here I have all these play next in queue and all of that. I'll go ahead and click on save to playlist. So at this point, I've gone ahead to click on save to playlist. So personally, these are the playlists I already have here on my YouTube channel. Here I have please stream this playlist. This is where all my videos are. I have AI tools, make money online, and YouTube growth tips. These are the things I talk about on this particular channel: AI tools, make money online, and YouTube growth tips. So all the videos you find on this my channel, all of them will fall under one of these three categories, you understand, plus my live stream. So if you don't have a playlist already, if you look up here, you will see this plus sign, plus new playlist. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on the plus sign. So now that I have clicked on the plus sign, here it is telling me title, visibility, and collaborate. Now this is how it works. So if you want to, you can put any title of your choice as far as it is in line with your videos. So here I can say, let me name it entertainment. Let's assume I'm into entertainment too. You understand? Let's assume I upload entertainment too. This is just for the sake of this video, for the sake of this tutorial. At the end of this video, I'm going to delete this particular playlist because my channel is not for entertainment. Now after doing this, another important thing you have to do is the visibility. The visibility is very important. You click on the little arrow and ensure it is in public. If your playlist is not in public, it means that you'll be the only one seeing it. Now in a situation where you want to collaborate with people, you can go ahead and turn on this collaboration. You understand? But if you're not collaborating, you can turn it off. You understand? So at this point, I'll just go ahead and click on create. I have gone ahead to click on create. See here it says playlist created, see list. So at this point, if you look up here, you see home, video, short, live, and playlist. So here I'll go ahead and click on playlist. Now that I have clicked on playlist, if you check here, you see this is a playlist I just created and it has just one video. So if I click on the playlist like right now, it has opened. You understand? It has opened. Now let me tell you something. In order for you to even grow faster on YouTube, you can use your playlist to grow faster. Now by doing what? In a situation where you have people who are willing to support you, you can always copy your playlist link. You understand? Now as a YouTuber, this is one thing you need to know, which will also help you grow. Instead of you always sharing one video to people, the best thing for you to do is for you to always share your playlist link to your friends and families. So now this is a playlist. You come here and copy this playlist link. You click on this one. You click on this arrow. Once you click, it will tell you copy. You go ahead and copy the link. Now let me show you guys what I really mean, because this particular playlist, I just created it and it has just one video. Let me show you. This is this is my main playlist. This is my playlist that contains all my videos. So now I have clicked on it. So now that I have clicked on it, this is what you're to do. If you look up here, you'll see play all. In case you have a second device and you want to be streaming your playlist back to back, You understand? So that you can gather watch time faster. You can always stream your playlist. So you click on play all. Do not click on a single video on your YouTube channel. Click on the playlist and click on play all. Now in a situation where you want to send it to a friend, now you go ahead and click on this particular arrow here. Once you click on it, you copy the link. Once you copy the link, you send it to your friend. Once your friend watches that video, YouTube will keep recommending all the videos in that playlist to that person. You understand? So this is the essence of having playlists. It will help you to grow faster if you know how to use it the right way. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. If you have questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.